Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome to another perfect day here in Southern California, extended stay America, $43.99, not a paid product placement, but a good night's rest and an even better deal. We got the 2017 Rolls-royce Wraith. We are balling out today, but well, we're still on a budget. Ooh. If you're new to the channel, my name is James. I go by TheStradman. This Rolls-Royce, this is clearly not my car. Massive shout out to my friend Nick over at CarPage. Be sure to go follow him on Instagram. This is my first time ever driving a Rolls-Royce. My shorts were $8 at Old Navy, just to kind of put it into perspective. We're headed off to Protective Film Solutions for their cars and coffee, but first, we need to go get an appropriate food vlog. A Rolls-Royce style food vlog. Mickey D's. Dun 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 dun. Scratch that. We are not going to McDonald's. I just noticed that right there, Chick-fil-A. Hey, Chick-fil-A. One of the struggles of Rolls-Royce life is that it's the size of like a small yacht. And so taking it through the drive-thru is curious to say the least. Also, peep the Versa SV. It's kind of like a cobalt blue. A nice spec.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Chick-fil-A biscuit meal with the orange juice.
Thank you so much. Done. Welcome back to 1994. Obviously, I'm not gonna eat my chicken sandwich in a $400,000 Rolls-Royce that isn't mine. Instead, I'm gonna sit in the Denny's parking lot and eat my sandwich on the curb. The orange juice, the chicken biscuit, and we got mini very crowded here, but we are trying to bob and weave for the star of the show. Check it out, the Pagani Huayra Roadster, the newest Huayra in Orange County. Check this thing out, this color is sensational. Whoa, not bad. What's up? Check this thing out. That is sick, check it out. Dude, unreal. What's up? In the weirdest sequence in a vlog ever, there is a Orange County police officer who has kind of closed off the road, and he is allowing everybody to launch the cars, including the Veyron. That officer right there, he's just chilling. He's just enjoying the view. Don't mess it up, pressure is on. Sounds amazing. Oh, we got Jeremy in the Aventador S. The LP640 Roadster. This one has the E-gear transmission. The manuals, a fun fact, there's only 25 manual LP640s in the United States, 8 Roadsters, 17 coupes. There's an identical manual in Seattle for sale right now for $465,000, whereas the E-gear trades for like, I don't know, maybe $175 or $200. Such a sick car. We have reached the most exciting portion of the vlog. Inside Intel is telling me there's a very special car inside, but more importantly, there's Krispy Kreme donuts. Now it's very late in the day, they may be gone, but we can just hope, we can pray, there's still one left. I can smell the Krispy Kreme somewhere. Also, there is a Ferrari F430 Scuderia. Check out that red Alcantara dash. What? These are all empty boxes. I'm out there hustling, trying to get you guys the best footage possible, and all the donuts are gone. Also, there's a Koenigsegg Agera right over there. Let's go check it out. We got the P1 sat here in race mode, and we have the Koenigsegg Agera. Which one would you take? Let me know in the comments below. Obviously, I'm a personal Koenigsegg fanboy. This is the only customer-delivered Koenigsegg Agera in North America. There's also a green carbon one, I think out in Europe. They're gonna be building 80 of these. Just check this out. We've seen this a handful of times, but it's always special to see a car pushing right around 1,500 horsepower. We got the P1 right there, but in more exciting news, I have to go swap out the Rolls-Royce for a McLaren 570. So on that bombshell, we'll see you guys later. The sun has come out, and check out the color on this Huayra Roadster. The camera is not doing this thing justice. Oh, Ryan, what's up? That thing is so sick. beautiful, beautiful, beautiful LP640 Roadster. I need one of these in my life. I can't afford it though. For some reason, I think this guy might launch it. Suicide doors are coming in very handy right here. This is a cold startup on a Rolls-royce Wraith. It has a V12, but it's very, very quiet. So cool, so cool. So I gotta go swap out cars real quick. Everybody's waiting on me. Quite possibly the coolest car of the entire show, the LP640 Roadster. Logan hooking it up, Protective Film Solutions, giving me the car and the luggage. They also have the Porsche Carrera GT. We're just swapping out a Wraith for a 570. As you might say, now we're rolling. I mean, we don't have a Rolls-royce anymore, so we were rolling a lot before, but it's a McLaren. Yeah, we got cool doors. The Rolls has cool doors too, but they don't do this. I don't know how this has really happened, but all of a sudden, I have found myself in the Protective Film Solutions McLaren 570. I don't know where we're going, I don't know what we're doing, but presumably, it's gonna be fun. This car is tuned to 750 horsepower. Should be adequate. What's up, David? Daily Driven Exotics! You did. I traded it out. That's Alex Choi, ladies and gentlemen. He has a pink Lamborghini. This is going to be an acceleration from 0 to 55 miles per hour. Just another day on the Newport coast. Random Aventador Roadster. I should have gotten a better shot, but I didn't. The lift is up on that Aventador. No! No! You have the coolest car in the world, an Aventador Roadster, and you're driving on the PCH with the lift up. I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. This is where today's vlog has come to. We are going to Coffee Bean to get the Malibu Dream. What do you guys think of this 570S? Quite possibly the sickest 570S in the world. It's got the Vorsteiner front end. It's got the yellow headlight film. I hope I don't get pulled over, but then check out this massive, massive rear wing. Also, we have Gordon and his V6 F-Type. So good. It's so good. It's so good. The man who daily drives his P1, he is here per usual. Look sharp. This is not a stock 570. Downpipes VF Engineering tuned 750 horsepower. It's very, very loud for a 570. It's also quite fast. That was 55. We're going with that. If you saw yesterday's video, yes, in fact, we did come to Raising Cane's. I got the exact same thing. If you have not seen that video, you should go check it out because I went for a ride in a Koenigsegg and it's pretty cool. And I had Raising Cane's. And on that bombshell, the 3-finger combo, time to eat. It's a critical technique. Basically, you push the button and then once they're open, you slowly let away and let the hydraulic do the rest. That was very, very poor technique, but you get the drift. And now that the doors are open, you just kind of casually like fumble for your phone, you know, you check your text messages, whatnot. You just want everybody to know that you got cool doors. Hello, mate. California, that sunset is unreal. We're driving a 750 horsepower McLaren. I don't know, guys, is it time for me to finally move to California? And on that bombshell, there's a traffic jam. on the 405. Well, no, this is a 5. I'm sure there's one on the 405 as well. So this car will spit massive, massive flames. That is coming tomorrow though, so if you're not subscribed, you should subscribe. Also smash the like button, because we're gonna be spitting some massive flames in the next video. So yeah, for now we just have an underpass. So we're gonna try to hit pretty hard here. Obviously I don't want to lose the back end because this is not my car, but what a car, what a car. Unsurprisingly, the twin turbo V8 does not get the best fuel economy. We started off the afternoon at 100%. We are now at 16%. $57.64. We drove like, I don't know, maybe 50 miles today, but also Girth Nation, have yourself a day. So we are staying right there at the DoubleTree in the penthouse right there. What an amazing, amazing day with the Protective Film Solutions McLaren 570S. I have this car all day tomorrow. We're gonna be filming some epic, epic content. So if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe, but that is going to effectively end today's video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.